Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Let's tap on them, and here we have to scroll down to find the general management. Now let's tap on date and time. And as you can see, here we've got this section, but we actually cannot change the date and time manually. It is because we are using automatic options for the date and time and also the time zone. So let's start with turning off those options just by tapping on those switchers. And now you can freely set the date. Simply tap on it and choose it from this calendar. Tap on it and tap on done. The same situation with the time, just by swiping, change it and tap on done. It will be of course immediately applied to the status bar. We can also select the time zone, just tap on it, tap on the region, and as you can see here we've been transferred to the full list of available regions, so find yours and tap on it, for example this one. Of course, be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Right here we've got the clock format. Currently we are using the 24-hour one. Of course we can use 12-hour one just by turning off this option by tapping on the switcher. So basically this is the whole manual customization of the date and time, and of course you can go back to all previous settings just by using those switchers right here for the automatic date and time and automatic time zone. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.